How to fix WhatsApp calls problem easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the WhatsApp calls problem easily and fast. First thing you want to do guys is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps and then go to apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do here is wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find WhatsApp. Click on it like this, and then on this page you will find the app informations. All what you want to do here is very simple. Click on the force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data, and after that go back, click on the permissions right here. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Now last thing you want to do is open the Play Store and make sure to update your WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.